Short line and regional railroads are the backbone of transportation and commerce in North America, connecting cities, industries, and people across the nation. The railroad industry offers multiple unique and fulfilling job opportunities. Whether you're an engineer, conductor, roadway worker, a dispatcher, or in an administrative position, railroading is more than a job, it's a career.
What I enjoy most about my job, probably sometimes it's a challenge, but working outside. I enjoy working outside. I'm not tied to a desk that way.
Coming into an all-men's industry, it can be very intimidating, and you can't do what they can do, but you just have to prove it to yourself.
A railroad career has competitive salary, excellent benefits, and retirement programs. Many people in leadership roles in our industry started out at entry-level positions.
Started transportation, now I'm a hump conductor, but it doesn't have to stop there. I want to pursue a bigger, role here. It could be dispatcher, it could be in clerical. If I wanted to go back outside, it could be in the diesel shop or even a carman. So there's many opportunities here if you would really like to take them.
Many railroads actively hire U.S. veterans, implementing unique programs and practices to recognize and support their service to our country.
Some of the things I've learned in the military and during those experiences was the camaraderie, the brotherhood, take care of each other. I use those skills here and try to, we try to take care of each other here in the shop.
If you have what it takes to combine dedication, teamwork, and technical skill, stay on the right track and become a railroader today.
Working in railroading is a tremendous opportunity, and short line railroads would love to have you come and work for them. Short lines and railroads in general are part of American history. We are about to celebrate the 200-year anniversary of railroading in the United States. It goes back to the first short line in the country, the B&O Railroad in 1827. There are 600 short lines in the United States. Collectively, they're operating almost 50,000 miles of track. That's about a third of America's freight rail network. They're in small towns, they're in rural America, they're in big cities, and they are serving America's critical industries and shippers. There are all sorts of jobs one can have on a short line railroad. There's operating the train itself on the transportation and operations side. There's the logistics managers, there's HR, there's business development, sales, marketing, track work. Essentially any type of career you can imagine is possible to have on a short line railroad. Short lines and all railroads typically offer very attractive benefits, both medical and retirement. We invite you to check out the industry employment page on the American Short Line and Regional Railroad Association website, and we are excited to have you join the short line railroad industry.